All right. Woo. Good morning, y'all.
Morning.
We are in another stress-free zone. Waterfalls. We are in the land of waterfalls.
Transylvania County, Brevard, North Carolina.
And in this area here, there are over 250 waterfalls. I know what you're thinking. Boy, that's a lot of uphill walking. Maybe. But this morning we're going to go see 3 of them.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Yes.
Okay. I'll show you.
Okay, here we go. High Falls Loop. Woohoo! I won't film the whole loop because that would just be boring. But we are walking through a dense forest. It's really pretty. It is. It's really pretty. I love it. Love it, love it. Can't beat being in nature. We came out here yesterday and it was so packed because it was the only day that it did not rain. But guess what? By the afternoon it was pouring again. So we got up early this morning, got here. There's very few people here, thank goodness. So we thought we would take a walk. Nice covered bridge here over a little creek. Yep, you hear it? I love it. Love it, love it. Nice. Nice. Yeah, they've done some work since we've been here. That was 8 years ago when we were here. This is a nice path. Very nice. Such a nice trail. Look how pretty that is. Wow. It's much better than what it was. When we were here 8 years ago, it was like a muddy trail. They've done a lot of improvements here. High Falls. Woohoo! All right. Sweet. Y'all hear it? Awesome sound. Awesome. I know. We just went to a waterfall. But in North Carolina, you can't help it. Especially if you're in the mountains. There's waterfalls everywhere. Now that is High Falls. Wow. Wow. Awesome. What a beautiful waterfall. Y'all see the covered bridge up there? It's above High Falls. That's where we're going next. Isn't that cool? That's just cool. Just a magnificent waterfall. That is so gorgeous. Wow. Y'all get stressed out, just turn on this video, okay? It'll calm you right down. We're headed to the covered bridge. Woo woo! Here's the covered bridge. You can drive across it and walk across it. So awesome. Awesome. And this is the top of High Falls. Pretty sweet. We're off to see another waterfall. This time, Triple Falls. Woohoo! We wanted to see Hooker Falls, but we think it's closed.
They got a bridge.
So, let's see here. Triple Falls is this way. Oh, we are going to get to see them. Sweet. Okay.
Hooker Falls first.
All right, we're doing Hooker Falls first.
It's the easy way.
There's a little beach area down here. Very nice. Nice on a 90-degree day. Very nice. Nice indeed. Yep. Very cool. Very cool. Here we go, Triple Falls. Woo woo. Yeah. Very nice trail. Very nice indeed. I just want to let you know it's quite a steep hike to the top to see Triple Falls, but it's well worth it. I promise. I'm almost there. Almost there. That's a steep climb. Woo!
Grade. What was that grade we just came up?
I'm not sure.
Is that 8, 10%?
Maybe.
12%? That was almost straight up.
Woo! But look here. Definitely worth the hike. Is that not gorgeous? Oh my gosh. Wow. That's amazing. We have been here and stood right at the bottom of it though. It was awesome. Well, the bottom up there.
There's no way in the bottom.
Yeah, they had to close things off because, you know, people don't act right. They think they're Superman. I love that sound though. Oh my gosh. This has been a fabulous week. Fabulous. Except for the rain. But without the rain, we wouldn't have these beautiful waterfalls. Now we're at the foot of the falls. Isn't that gorgeous? Just gorgeous. Love it. Nice. Very, very nice. Awesome waterfall. The stress-free zone. Enjoy. This is an awesome fruit stand here. They even have ice cream in there. Look how big these cantaloupe are. Those things are huge. Wow. And I got me some of these peaches. I love some peaches. If I had power, I'd get a whole bunch of these peaches and can them.
Hey, look at what I got me. $2.50. That's a big old cantaloupe. That feed 2 families. Couple campers too. What do you
Sure
think
enough.
Yeah, I know. We was out here looking at waterfalls. We figured we'd just stop by the old farmer's market.
There you go.
Can't beat it.
And look at the farming. Wow. Awesome.
Got to get some more vegetables.
There he goes.